We're calling Domino's.
Domino's Pizza!
Domino's Pizza.
Domino's Pizza. Let's get some pizza right now.
This is Josh. How can I help you?
Hello, how much is a piece of pizza?
A piece of pizza?
Yeah.
We actually don't sell just pieces of pizza.
Whoa, how much is your large pizza?
For pickup?
Sure.
Large pizza for pickup would be $12.93.
What about your small?
Be $10.77.
Now, do you have to tip the people?
You don't have to. My drivers do work off minimum wage though, so they are appreciated, but you don't have to.
Well, that sucks. Why don't you pay them enough?
Because they make pretty good money tip wise. Most of the time they get tipped, except we don't require it. It's it's not something that has to be done, but they do work off minimum wage, kind of like waiters. I like to compare. They'd be like your waiter at Denny's. They work off the minimum wage. Anything above that, they're pretty much their income.
Okay, how much is your soda?
Soda. A 2-liter soda would be $2.49.
What kind do you have?
Coke, Sprite, root beer, and Dr. Pepper.
You don't have Mountain Dew?
No, that's Pizza Hut.
But Pizza Hut's not open.
I think the one right down the road from this is.
Really? Do you guys have breadsticks?
We do.
Okay. Do you like strippers?
Say what?
Oh, what's the pizza next? What's the number?
It's a what?
Pizza Hut.
I don't have the number of Pizza Hut, I'm sorry.
Okay, alright then, I'm going to, place an order for a large pepperoni with, did you say you have a Pepsi? Hello? The f
Hang up.
You hung up on me. Douchebag?
Douchebag.
That's alright.
You gotta say your name is Mike Hunt.
Mike Hunt needs food.